I'm Dr. Anthony. Let me share with you the most common causes of neck pain. Neck pain can be produced by either major or minor trauma. Major trauma can be as a result of a car accident or an overexertion where you strain yourself. Minor trauma can be sleeping on a pillow that's either too fat or too skinny, not giving your neck the right support that it needs, which will ultimately lead to poor posture of the neck, and that's going to put that abnormal pressure on the neck muscles. The neck pain is caused by one of three things. It can be either the disc, it can be joint pressure, or it can be also nerve irritation. The disc would be like a disc bulge or herniation. The bulge is basically when you have the actual element of the think of like a jelly donut, for example. If you start to squash a jelly donut, it's going to expand, and that's what we call a disc bulge. A herniation is when you have when you really squeeze that jelly donut and you have the inside of the jelly start to extrude out. That would be a herniation right there. Joint pressure occurs when the vertebrae overlap each other, and sometimes we call this area the facets. You'll get jamming of those facets, and that can cause joint pressure, which leads to pain. Also, the nerve can be irritated by either consequential of the disc bulge or herniation putting pressure on the nerve, or it can be the vertebrae compressing. Then you have irritation that occurs in the soft tissue element where the nerve comes out of the spine, and you can have some nerve irritation there, which will produce pain that can refer itself or travel into either the scapula or down into the arm. Very commonly with neck pain, you're going to have muscle spasm, rigidity. This will lead to restricted range of motion, which ultimately causes the pain and the numbness and tingling that goes down into the arms, and that's accompanied with the neck pain. It can be very life-altering neck pain. We have patients that can't perform work duties that they were able to perform prior to having the neck pain, so they have maybe some inhibitions or limitations, some restrictions possibly with their work. Activities of daily living, things such as bathing, combing your hair, holding a blow dryer, for example. These activities can be quite difficult if you're suffering with neck pain. Sleeping, getting your head in a comfortable position, this can also be very hard. So getting the right pillow and the right support, we can coach you with that and help you with that. We have patients tell us that their neck pain can cause them to be very irritable or impatient, maybe with their spouse or their significant other, or with family members. They're unable to play with their kids or grandkids like they were prior to having the neck pain. If you are suffering with neck pain, we have a great track record with helping our patients that present us with this symptom. Give us a call. We can be reached at 215-743-5330.